in China and I love you. You have made me what I am. I am yours. My love, there's so many ways I want to say I love you. Let me hold you in my arms forevermore. He has gone and made me such a fool. I'm so lost in your love. I'm gone, we're alone together. Won't you live in my soul? For so many years at home, I'll never find you. You have come into my life, made me whole. Let me wait to see you in every morning. Let me hear you whisper softly in my ear. In my eyes, I say, oh, what is love? There's no other love than love. And yeah, oh yes, I always want you and me. I waited for you for so long. I want it to be. It's my love. There's something I want to know. You're the love of my life. You're my lady. Huwag lang masayang na sandali habang kasama. Kung tayo magkakayo, makita pa kapamaya. Ibigin mo ba kaya malayo na aking nagdadama? Pagsasama natin di magdadagal, kaya't di na kailangan sa ating pag-ibig. Kung tayo'y ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko. Kahit ika'y malayo na. Ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko. Kahit ika'y malayo na.
Sunod eh. Hello mga friends! Nandito nga po ko, nagbe-birthday ngayon. How old are you, baby?
7.
7. Kanta na siya ng paborito niyang kantang Steve. Hide me now under your wings. Cover me within your mighty hand. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are King of earth and flood. I will be still, know you are God. Find rest, my soul, in Christ alone. Know His power and quietness and trust. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are King of earth and flood. I will be still, know you are God.
Kung patangusan ng ilong ang pag-uusapan, wag na tayong mag-usap.